Okay, so in this teaching clip, we're going to be thinking about how we expand brackets where surds are involved. So our first example might look something like this. So 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 1 plus root 3. Now, my preferred approach when we have multiplication of brackets, this is where I think the grid method can really come into its own. So that's what I'm going to use, and I put my component parts and we've got 2 and root 3. So now we simply multiply it out. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times root 3 is root 3, 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3, and root 3 times root 3, well, we know what happens when we multiply two roots which are the same, and the answer is 3. And then we just collect like terms and we get our answer. So we've got 3 add 2 is 5, and we've got 1 root 3 add 2 root 3, so we end up with 3 root 3. Okay, so that's our first example. Now it does get a bit trickier. Let's have a look at another one. And we'll move it on a pace. So let's look at our next example. So now I'm going to have a look at 3 take away 2 root 7 multiplied by 4 plus 3 root 7. And again, as we mentioned a minute ago, grid I think works really well in these sorts of situations. Notice though I've now got 3 and then it's minus 2 root 7, and here I've got 4 and 3 root 7. So let's multiply it out. So we've got 4 3s are 12, we've got 9 root 7, we've got minus 8 root 7, and here this is a tricky bit I think. What we've actually got, when we multiply, remember we multiply out, when we've got two surds of the same value, we remove the surd. So root 7 times root 7 gives us 7, and 3 times minus 2 gives us minus 6. So actually what we've got there is minus 6 times 7. Now be careful of that, a bit tricky. It gives us minus, so minus 6 times 7 is minus 42. And now we can go back and we can collect like terms. So we've got minus 42 add 12, which gives us minus 30, and 9 root 7 take away 8 root 7 just gives us root 7. So our answer is root 7 take away 30. And that's it.